Hey everybody, and welcome to Southern Bells and our 22nd Stitch Fix.
Yay!
My name's Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we are here to do an unboxing. And I have to say, when I opened the Stitch Fix, because I have opened it, I haven't undone my bundle yet, but I was a little confused because some of the paperwork was laying around. And I picked up the style cards and to read the note to see if I had the same stylus, and it said, "Hi, Keely." So
my mother had a name change.
That's right. So I have Keely. If you happen to be watching, I have your style cards here. But I did kind of look at my bundle, and the clothing that I have is different than what's on the styling cards.
It makes you wonder who got your styling cards.
I know. I like my styling cards too. But the thing is, if you order anything, if you end up getting anything, you can go on the app and you can click on the item that you ordered, and then they'll have styling cards for it, or they'll have the styling card on there. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. But anyway, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service, and you know, I can put some of the details down below so that we can get started right with the fun part, which is always the bundle. Okay, so here's what it looks like, and it is thicker. The box is bigger, so that tells me that we are getting ready for fall and getting some fall fashion. Yay. And the colors even look at. And you know what? I see navy, because you know I'm a navy girl. Well, I'm navy. Got it on today too. So opening the pretty bundle, and I've got some denim as well. But the first thing I see is this pretty burgundy, maybe?
I like the front detail in that one.
With the tassels and everything? Oh yeah, the tassels are pretty fancy. And it's got a little bit of smocking maybe. Well, in the back. In the back, I don't think it's so much in the front. It is very sheer, so we'll see about that one. Pretty floral pattern, so florals are still in. This one actually looks black. I thought it might be navy, but oh, the sleeves are pretty. The sleeves are sheer.
That is pretty.
I admit, I went on the preview, and when I saw this one, I didn't know what I thought about it, you know, but in person it's very pretty, and it's also lined.
So. That's a really good fall piece.
That's nice.
It's pretty fall black.
Okay, and then my navy and stripes, and it is a tie front blouse, which I've gotten a couple of those. And I've enjoyed them. I'm not real big on all the way button up, but sometimes just depending on the pattern and everything. This is a really nice fabric feel. I don't know what that fabric is. I'll have to look and see, but it seems like it would feel nice on, and it does have the, well, it starts to say it has the tab sleeves, does it? Yeah, it does. Tab sleeves there. Okay, and then I have another blue top. This one's also button up with a tie front and a floral pattern, and that's in a different color blue. That's a pretty blue.
Very pretty.
I don't know what you call it, maybe close to a teal. And then I have some jeans, and these are Liverpool jeans, which I do like Liverpool jeans. They've got the stretch in them. I like this this wash. The wash is very different than anything that I have. And it looks more straight-legged than skinny. So we'll see what you think about it.
I think this is a nice fit. I'm excited to see them on.
And the jeans do have that flat front, which if you're wearing tops that kind of fit, maybe aren't quite as flowy, it looks nicer.
It does.
It doesn't have a lot of...
Excuse me, I'm yawning. It's smooth in the front.
Yeah, it's smooth instead of the button detail and all of that with it. So yeah, I am gonna get ready for the try on. We'll see you in just a second. Okay, so I'm back with the first two items. I have on the Liverpool jeans, pull-on jeans, and I have this first top. It's embroidered, and it has the cute little tassel. And I know a lot of people don't like the tassels and everything, but you can leave it open. You could tie it if you wanted to. Some people even put them inside So
I like the tassels.
I like the sleeves. It's kind of a wrist length sleeve. It's not all the way down, and it's not really 3/4 length, although I guess you could pull it up if you wanted to. It has a little bit of elastic around the band, but it's not constricting, and it's just really flowy. That's what it looks like in the back. And what are these pieces, Rebecca?
The pants are the Liverpool Mirabella Capri Skinny Jeans in blue. And the top is the Mason & Bell Bobby Embroidered Tie Detail Top in burgundy. The pants are $68 and the top is $44.
Oh, that's $68 for Liverpool jeans.
That's pretty good.
That's a good price.
That's good for Stitch Fit
it is.
pants in general.
I'm not sure about the length of them. It seems to be kind of an odd length. I put booties on with it, and it just, I know you're supposed to see a little bit of skin with booties, but this showed like a lot, and I just thought it looked a little odd and everything. Now, these are okay, I think. But yeah, what do you think about the length? Is this the length that they're going to be this fall or whatever? I don't know.
That's a good question.
But
I kind of like the length.
You like the length?
I do.
Well, you know me. I said I'm kind of ready for just some full length tight pants and everything.
Right.
Just to be a little bit different. I will say I really like the wash. What color? Does it just have blue, or does it have?
It just says blue.
Just blue.
But
it is a different wash, and they're real smooth like.
They're more blue than denim colored. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah.
But they're more of a blue than a denim.
I think like indigo. I don't know
right.
if that would be a good way to describe them or not. And it does have the pockets in the back, functioning pockets, but no pockets in the front. And they're really comfortable, I will say that. And the fit seems to be okay. Just the length I'm not sure about, but you let me know. Okay, I'll be back because I think the rest that I have to try on, I'm just going to leave these jeans on to try on the rest of the tops with, and I will see you in a second. Okay, and here is the next top with the sheer sleeves and the nice neckline. I do like this neckline. And what about the print? Is it a little bit too much? What do you think, Rebecca?
I think it's nice. I really like how fun it is. You know, the black is kind of formal and dressy, but then the print makes it fun. So I really like it.
And it does come down lower.
In the back.
In the back.
Cute.
And it's really comfortable. I like this blouse. It's good for this time of year too.
It's very fall.
Get a little closer look at the print. And what is this one?
This is the Paper Moon Laurie Elastic Sleeve Blouse in black, and it's $44.
Okay. So another very nice top. I don't know if I would wear it with these jeans. I might wear it with like black jeans or black pants, or even a black skirt would dress it up a lot.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay. And I'll be back with my next one. Okay. Now this one it feels really nice. Whatever the material is, I really like it. It's very soft, almost a brushed cotton type feel, I think. But I'm not sure that it's me. I usually don't go for the full button-down shirts, and now I do have one that I like a whole lot, and it has a little tie front as well. But it's just not quite my style, I guess you could say. And another thing about this shirt is that somewhere, I'm not sure if it's here or even if it's under here, but it's a little restrictive feeling, constricting, maybe that's the word, I'm not sure. What am I looking for, Rebecca? But it's a little tight, let's put it that way. It's a little bit tight. I think it's mostly up under here, and I don't think I would wear it because it's not real comfortable as far as that goes.
Okay.
But it is a nice shirt, and you know, if this is your style, and maybe you have less of a broad type back, I guess that's what's causing it, then I'm sure you would like this. And I think the price is pretty right on this one as well.
It is. This is the Bixby Cassiana tie front top in navy, and it's $42.
Oh, this one's $42?
It
Okay, I was
is.
thinking it was 38. It does have tab sleeves right here. If you unroll them, they're not going to go down to your wrist. They're only going to go down to about probably right here. So that might be something to think about as well. I'm having a hard time talking today. Okay. All right, I have one more top, and then we'll do the wrap up. This is the final top. It is similar to the one I just had on. It's button down. Of course, the collar and all is a little bit different. To me, it's a little bit dressier looking than the other one. It also has the tab sleeves, and when I rolled the sleeves down, it did come down quite a bit. It was, in fact, I wouldn't be able to wear them all the way down if I decided to keep this because they are a little bit long. I love the color. This is a beautiful color. I think it's called teal.
Lovely color.
You like this? I like the print on it. It's really sweet. It you could go pick apples in this.
Yeah, it looks like that. Like the fall sky.
It does, it does. It's a nice fall piece. It has the longer length or hem in the back, and it also ties in the front. And it's, again, it's a very nice, it's a different material than the last shirt, but this is comfortable too. And what is this one?
This top is the Brina and M Casara tie front top in blue, and it is $38.
So it's cheaper too than the other one.
I like that one better by far.
Yeah, I think I like this one better on me a lot. I'm still not convinced this is totally my style though. I don't know. But I will say something about the jeans. You know, when I first put the jeans on, I wasn't so sure about the length of them and everything, but I've had them on through this try on and when I started the try on the other day, and they are comfortable. They're so very comfortable, and I do love the wash of them. I don't have anything in this particular wash, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to keep. I know it's not going to be a 5 for 5 because the blouse before this one, or the top before this one, just didn't feel right on me, but I like everything. So now it's just a matter of what do I need in my closet, what can I afford, and also the fact that I have a Natalie attire coming next week.
Makes it hard.
Not quite sure what to do. So if you have any comments, if there was anything that you liked particularly or thought looked okay on me, if you would comment, we would love to have your comments. Rebecca, what's the total of this fix?
The total of this box before any discounts is $236. If you buy all 5, so if this was a 5 for 5, you would get $59 off, which would bring the total to $177.
$177. Okay. That's 4 tops and a pair of jeans. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do right now. I know I need to decide quickly because it's time for this one to go back.
You've got some pretty pieces.
Yeah, and they're different from each other. You know, I don't know. I really liked the black top. I think you could do a lot with that particular one.
And I like the one you have on now.
Yeah, I love this color. Anything in this color, Nicole, if you're watching, anything in this color that you could send me, I would love, because it is pretty. But we would love your comments. We would love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you have already subscribed to our channel, thank you so much. We appreciate that. We are over 100 now, and I'm thinking maybe in our next video we'll talk about a giveaway, 100 subscriber giveaway.
Yes.
And we'd love to have you subscribe if you haven't already and click the notification bell. We just enjoy this. We don't get to do it quite as much as we would like to. We try to post every week, but sometimes it just doesn't happen with our schedule and everything.
Life gets crazy sometimes.
Yes, but we are trying. We're trying, and we're going to keep trying. So until next time. Oh, at this time, and I don't know how long it will last, but I'll put the link down below. At this time, Stitch Fix is offering a $50 credit if you have never tried it before and you would like to try it. That is wonderful because you know what, with a $50 credit, I could have gotten just about any piece in this particular box except the jeans, I think.
Right, that's great.
So it's a great deal. I'll put the link below because it is a different link than my normal link. And if you click on it, you get $50. I get $50. We both win. That's
And
a good
everybody's
situation.
happy.
Everybody's
Yeah.
happy. That's right. And I'll also try to find out when it expires so that you won't be caught by surprise. So until next time, we will see you, and we hope you have a beautiful day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.